In this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to compress a photo with WinRAR on Windows 11. And in case you want to know from where to get WinRAR, this is their official website. From here you can purchase it, and after you buy it also you'll receive a trial with that. Okay, so from here you can get it. This is the WinRAR official website from where you can purchase it. So that being said, let's get back to the video. So I have here on my desktop a picture and I'd like to show you how to compress it. So make sure the photo or the photos are selected. Okay, after you select them, right click on one of the photos and you'll find here down below WinRAR and select add to archive, and this menu will pop up. Now you'll have to give this archive, this compression, a name. Let's name it tutorial.rar. For the purpose of this video, name it however you want. Now at archive format you'll find RAR and zip. My opinion, leave the RAR format marked instead of the zip because the RAR format is better than the zip itself, and also it's selected by default. Now compression method you can also mark best, and on the right side archiving options you will find here create solid archive. This will help if you have multiples and similar files. Now also you can select browse, select desktop or wherever you want to save it. Now press on OK and the compression is done. Here is my file. And if you open it, you will find it right here. So this is how to compress a photo or how to archive photos with WinRAR on Windows 11.